Are you aware of what you make me feel? Baby, right now I feel invisible to you, like I'm not real. Didn't you feel me lock my arms around you? Why'd you turn away? Here's what I have to say. I was left to cry there, waiting outside there, grinning with the lost stare. That's when I decided, why should I care? 'Cause you weren't there when I was scared. I was so alone. Yeah, you need to listen. I'm starting to trip, I'm losing my grip, and I'm in this thing alone. Am I just some chick you place beside you to take somebody's place? When you turn around, can you recognize my face? You used to love me, you used to hug me, but that wasn't the case. Everything wasn't okay. I was left to cry there, waiting outside there, grinning with the lost stare. That's when I